This is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. I do travel, photography, and RV videos. I like to do RV reviews. I was doing some truck bed camping in New Mexico and Arizona, and I stop here and there once in a while just to take a photograph that I think might be interesting. Sometimes they come out really good, sometimes they come out not so good. Here I am exploring a little stop along the side of the road. I saw this beautiful mountain range. I said, let's take some pictures of this, because in New Mexico and Arizona, they have some absolutely glorious landscapes. And as a photographer, I like to try doing landscapes once in a while. I'm primarily known as a documentary and people person photographer, but I like to play and take some landscapes once in a while. So here I am. I saw these mountains and I decided, hey, let's take some pictures. I have my Nikon D800. It has a good size sensor and a high quality processor inside, so it takes pretty good pictures. And here's an example of a photograph that I took, and it gets you really high resolution. It gives you really high resolution photographs that you can crop. You can combine several images to make a panorama, whatever you want. You can do HDR photography. You can do it all with this fabulous camera. Of course, they have newer incarnations, the 810, the 850, and there's all kinds of manufacturers out there of great cameras. So you may want to crop up here where the mountains are in the creek bed, the river bed here. You say, hey, I'm not going to get as much as I want of that. Make it more of a horizontal photograph, not so much a vertical photograph. So I really like taking photographs of landscapes for fun. And I have to decide sometimes, am I going to use Photoshop to make it black and white, or am I going to make it color? Am I going to make it a vertical? Am I going to make it a horizontal? Choices, choices, choices. There are a lot of choices. That's why I like digital photography. Digital photography, take all kinds of photographs. Back in the day, you got a shot of 24 or a shot of 36 roll photographs. But in digital photography, I take hundreds. I'm bound to get one right, huh? So this is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza shooting some desert landscapes in New Mexico. I also shot some in Arizona. Again, this is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Gracias. Adiós.